A quick video showing you how to create a KDP account which you can then use to make money online by selling books on Amazon. Firstly, you will need to visit the KDP website, which is kdp.amazon.com. The link is in the description box. You will arrive on this page. Now, if you do already have an Amazon account, perhaps for buying items or selling items, and you want to use that account as your KDP account, then simply sign in here. But if you don't have an Amazon account, or you want to keep your KDP account separate and unrelated to your buying or selling Amazon accounts, then click this button here, the sign up button. You will then arrive at this page here, and then just click the button here, create your KDP account. Then fill in your name, your email and your password, and make sure the email address that you use is an email address that you have regular access to, an email account that you check regularly, as this is the email address where Amazon will send you their communications. So enter that information and then click create your KDP account. You'll then need to verify your email address with the one-time passcode they send you, so grab that code from your email address and enter it in here. You'll then arrive at the terms and conditions page, so read those and then click agree. And here you have it, a brand new KDP account which you've just created. Now, you've set up this new KDP account, however, you cannot sell any books and you cannot receive any payment just yet. And the reason for that is, if you see the yellow warning message at the top of the page, your account information is incomplete. So you would need to enter your tax information and your bank account information in order to start selling books and to start receiving payments.